Ready to ditch that default signature and stamp your own unique mark on your Docusign documents. First, log into your Docusign account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, select Manage Profile. This will take you to your profile settings page where you can customize your Docusign experience. Next, navigate to the Signatures tab. You'll usually find it on the left-hand side of the screen or along the top. Click on it to access your signature options. Now, you should see an option that says Add Signature. Click on that. This will open the signature creation tool. Here, you have a few choices. You can either draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, upload an image of your signature, or select from pre-designed styles. If you choose to draw, take your time and try to make it as neat as possible. If you're uploading, make sure the image is clear and has a transparent background for the best results. If you pick a style, browse until you find one you like. Once you're happy with your new signature, click the Adopt button. Docusign will save your new signature, and it will be available for use on your future documents. Now go sign with confidence.